So whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, or any other platform, if you're trying to receive a verification code on your device, but you're not getting the SMS with that code, I'm going to guide you through several steps to check and make sure you'll actually receive that code on your phone. So the very first thing we're going to do is go into our settings here. And once we're in the settings, we're going to scroll down until we find messages. Then you can tap on messages. There are several things we're going to do here to make sure you have the right settings to receive the code when it's sent to you by SMS. We can turn off iMessage here, then wait about 10 seconds and turn it back on afterwards. And you'll see that waiting for activation appears just below, then after a moment, it will be activated. So you've turned iMessage off and then back on, which helps reset things if there was an issue with your iMessage. Now, if we scroll down a bit, you'll see send as SMS, which refers to a standard text message. So if you don't receive this code via iMessage, which is usually the case, since it typically arrives as a text message, you'll want to make sure the send as SMS option is enabled. So if this option is turned off, make sure to enable it so you can receive an SMS or a text message containing this code. Now, once again, let's scroll down a bit and you'll see the option filter unknown senders. We want to make sure this option is turned off because if it's enabled, it will filter out the sender or the bot that sent you the verification code by text message and place it elsewhere, which you probably don't want. So you need to make sure to turn off the filter for unknown senders. Now, the very last thing to do here is to go into blocked contacts. So tap on blocked contacts and you'll see that I have a lot of blocked contacts. But what you might want to do is go through this list, tap edit at the top right, and remove any blocked contacts who you think might potentially send you verification codes. That's because very often verification codes don't come from regular phone numbers. They come from shorter numbers. Let's see if I can find some of these shorter numbers. For example, it could be 4 digits or something like that. I can't really find any because I generally don't block these verification code bots. But if you see one like this Cindy 456 645 56, I can unblock that number since it's probably an automated bot sending me this text message. So go through the list and make sure you haven't blocked any numbers that might be sending you this verification code. Now, the very last thing I recommend doing is simply swiping down from the top right corner here and checking that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. If you turn it on, then you won't receive that text message. You can see that I have it enabled because I'm recording this right now, but you want to make sure to turn it off so you can receive those text messages when they're sent to you. Otherwise, it will simply silence all notifications and block all text messages if you receive any. And the very last thing you can do is hold down the volume up button and the power button, then slide to power off, and then restart your phone.